Hello, hello. Hi, my name is Teacher Joe. And what is your name? Oh, Sarah. It's nice to meet you, Sarah. It's nice to see you. And welcome to Lingastar Trial Lesson. For today, we are going to find out, can all birds fly? Hmm, let's find out. Oh, look, Sarah, do you see what I see? Ta-da! I see animals. Now, what animals do you like? Wow, you like cat. I like cat too. Now, this one. What is this animal? Arf, arf, arf. Oh, it is a dog. Very good. Now this one. Rawr, rawr. What animals make that sound? Very good. It's a tiger. Good job, Sarah. Now, how about this? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Very good. It's a monkey. Now, Sarah, can you find the small animals among them? Very good. This is a bird. Good job. Now, this one, how about this? Very good. It's a giraffe. Now, this one. Very good. It's an elephant. You're amazing, Sarah. Because of that, I will give you a burger. Do you like burger? Wow, I like burger too. Yum, 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 yum. Next. Ooh, look. What bird is it? Hmm, what bird is it? It is a very good, a magpie. Can you say a magpie? A magpie. Very good, Sarah. Next. Oh, look at the picture, Sarah. Say, this is a very good magpie. Can you say it again? This is a magpie. Good job, Sarah. You did it. Next. Now, look, look, a magpie. Now, can you help teacher count how many magpies are there? Okay. Now, one, two. There are two magpies. Say two magpies. Can you say it again? Two magpies. Very good, Sarah. Because of that, I will give you a prize. Yum, 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 yum. Let's continue. Oh, there are many magpies. Say, magpies are birds. Can you say it again? Magpies are birds. Very good, Sarah. Now, can you count how many magpies are there? Okay. One, two, three, four. There are four magpies. Very good. Great. Next. Oh, click and find all the magpies. Can you help teacher find all the magpies, Sarah? Okay. Now, let's find all the magpies. Now, this one. Is this a magpie? Hmm, very good. This is a magpie. How about this one? Great! Good job. This is a magpie. And how about this one? Wow, very good. You're amazing, Sarah. This is a magpie. How about this one? Good job. Now, how about this one? Very good. This is a magpie. Now, how many magpies are there? Very good. There are five magpies. Guess that give you a pizza. Do you like pizza? Oh, I like pizza too. No, 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 no. Now let's continue. Oh, look at the picture, Sarah. Say, magpies are birds. Can you say it again? Magpies are birds. This one. Magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. Next. Oh, look, Sarah. What bird is it? Very good. This is a penguin. Say a penguin. Again, a penguin. Great! Good job, Sarah. Next. Oh, look and say, this is a penguin. Again, this is a penguin. Very good. Nice, Sarah. Nice. You're nice. Next, hmm, look and say. Now, how many penguins are there? Hmm. Can you help teacher count the penguins? Okay, let's start. One, two. There are two penguins. Say two penguins. Again, two penguins. Very good, Sarah. You did it. You did it. Next. Oh, look, look, and say penguins are birds. Again, penguins are birds. Very good, Sarah. Very good. Next. Oh, penguin lost its wing. Can you help teacher find the correct penguin's wing? Okay, so let's find the lost penguin's wing. Now look at the box one. Is this the right wing? No. No. And the box two. Is this the correct wing? No. Mm-mm. Now, the last one. Is this the correct penguin's wing, Sarah? Yay! Very good. This is the correct penguin's wing. Good job, Sarah. Good job. Now let's continue to the next part. Next. Oh, look, look, and say. Penguins are birds. Again, penguins are birds. Another. Say penguins cannot cannot fly. Mm-mm. Again, penguins cannot fly. Mm-mm. Very good. Good job, Sarah. Next. Oh, to wrap up, magpies, magpies, and penguins are birds. Okay, again, magpies and penguins are birds. But the difference, Sarah, is magpies can fly. Magpies can fly, while penguins cannot fly. Again, penguins cannot fly. Okay? Yeah, very good, Sarah. You're amazing. And that's end our lesson for today. Did you have fun with Teacher Jo? Wow, great. Thank you so much for today, Sarah. See you soon. Bye bye.